Okay, real question here. How many times have you told your child to go play outside? And then you're wondering if he or she is actually learning anything out there. Is splashing in puddles or digging in dirt just messy fun? Or is it doing something deeper for their development? Well, today we're going beyond the playground to explore why nature is one of the best classrooms for early learners. And I'll be sharing 5 simple outdoor activities that you can try right away, even if all you've got is a sidewalk or a backyard. I'm Oluwaseun Abosede Olaleke, a passionate educator and your new early years practitioner neighbor. And trust me, you don't need a forest to raise curious, resilient children. Now, let's talk about the why. Why is outdoor play so important? First, the obvious. It's great for physical health. Climbing, running, balancing on logs. These movements build strong bodies and gross motor skills. Then, what's the real magic? It's in the sensory experiences. Squishy mud, prickly pine needles, rustling leaves overhead. These natural textures stimulate the brain in ways screens and plastic toys just can't. And have you ever watched a child turn a stick into a magic wand, or a spoon, or a sword? That's imagination, creativity, and problem solving coming to life. In fact, research shows that outdoor play can help reduce stress, improve focus, and even support emotional regulation. Educator David Sobel put it beautifully. Children are born naturalists. They explore the world with all their senses. So, next time your child's digging for worms or staring at the cloud, remember, they're not just playing, they're learning deeply. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but what do I actually do with them outside? Now, let's break it down. You don't need Pinterest perfect setups or a full nature trail. Just try one of these low prep outdoor learning activities. Number 1, nature scavenger hunts. Start with a super simple scavenger hunt. Give your child clues like find something round, something yellow, something that makes noise. You'll be amazed at how observant they become and how excited they get about rocks and leaves. Take this as a bonus. Later, you can sort the treasures by color, by their size, or texture. That's early math and sorting exercise. Listening work. Listening work is another. Take a quiet walk and turn up the volume on the world. Use paper cups as sound amplifiers. Or just close your eyes and ask, what do you hear? Maybe it's bird, maybe wind, footsteps, or a passing car. This builds focus, mindfulness, and your listening skills. Number 3, mud kitchen magic host. Mud kitchen magic. Old pots plus dirt, imagination equals the best 5-star mud pie bistro. Let them mix, stir, serve, and pretend. This is science, sensory play, and social emotional learning in all in one. They're experimenting with texture, role playing, and even negotiating. I need that spoon next. Number 4, cloud stories. Lay back on the grass and stare at the sky. Ask, what do you see? A dragon? A sheep? A bunny on a bike? Then make up stories together. This simple activity is a powerhouse for building vocabulary, creativity, and connection. 5, sensory being surprise. Grab a tub or a container and fill it with nature items. Pine cones, leaves, water, sticks. Let them pour, squish, scoop, and explore freely. This kind of unstructured sensory play helps with motor skills, hand strength, and sensory processing. And just in case you're thinking, wow, but I don't live near nature. You actually do. Your front yard, balcony plants, a nearby park, or even a sidewalk crack filled with weeds is nature. Watching ants collecting pebbles or listening to wind chimes counts. It's not about where you are, it's about how you engage. When you slow down and follow your child's curiosity, learning happens everywhere. Here is a quick tip. Let them lead. If they want to spend 15 minutes watching a ladybug climb a leaf, awesome. That's observation, patience, and science in action. Unstructured exploration builds independence, confidence, and critical thinking. And the best part, it's less work for you. So, let's recap. Nature play builds brains and bodies. It boosts creativity, calm, and curiosity. And you can start with just a few leaves and a little time. So, try one of these activities this week. Let your child lead. Most importantly, join the adventure. It's one of the most joyful, low-pressure ways to bond and build brains. If this video gave you ideas or made you feel excited to get outside, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with another parent, another educator, or another caregiver. See you next time.